Assalamualaikum viewers. Today's video gonna be different.
Now I am going to discussing about Toshiba double door fridge. Upper side is cold, the button is not. This is normal problem with all non-frost fridge. Find out what to do to fix those problems. So first I need to take this part off the top. Can see if I pull lightly it will slowly open. This is thermostat controlling the cooling process and monitoring temperature, then switching the compressor on off. This one is defrost sensor. Its main function is shuts off the defrost heater if the heater got hot enough. If the refrigerator defrost failed, the heating element doesn't turn on. Frost build up on the evaporator and clogs air passages through the evaporator. I am opening DEFROST sensor now. You can see how to open it. Look at this DEFROST sensor. This one. I will now cut this sensor. This is where I have to cut. Right now I need to strip the bark and connect the two wires together. Note that I connect those two wires just for testing. Now we will move to the back of the fridge. You can see there have a box. This one is defrost timer. Turn on periodically a compressor the refrigerator so that it allows to the temperature of the evaporator to be high enough to melt and dry the ice and frost from on the evaporator. It's work like a clock. Is there have a heater switch? If I pull it slowly, can see the sound is changed. It means heater is on. Now I am showing these things again. Can see, turn it slowly. Can see here this heater switch on. Note that the compressor will not run when the heater switch is on. Look at this compressor is not running because heater is on already. So now I am going to front side. The heater of the fridge is not working. If it was working, then it would feel hot. If you put your hand on the side of the evaporator, so I have to open heater right now. I will show you how to open heater. First I have to unscrew the left and right side screws. If the evaporator is lightly pulled upward, then the heater is below it. You can see the whole heater is collapsed down. See, all of the glass is broken. For that, the bottom of the fridge is not getting cooled. I will now cut and disconnect the two heater wires. Now I am especially cleaning the broken part of the heater under the evaporator. You can see is there lots of broken glass. And be carefully. The frame that the heater was is bent, so now I am straightening it. I just had a new heater, so now I will install this one. So you can see how to install this. It should fit into the frame. I will cut the wire both sides and connect it as the same way. I connected the heater wire and cover it.
It must be covered well, otherwise current may flow inside the refrigerator. So follow this.
I will now set the heater same place under the evaporator as previous. Now this heater is already installed and it's time to test it. I will turn on the fridge now. The defrost timer is already set in the heater, so now I am checking this heater is okay or not, and you guys can see heater is hot and smoke is coming from it. Just follow. So now heater is okay. I will now install new defrost sensor. Earlier I told about the working of this sensor, so nothing new to say about it. This sensor is usually attached to the fridge sensor accumulator. This time I will install everything as before. We have solved this fridge problem. So now we already install every part. And this fridge is totally ready right now. If you guys watch this kind of video more, please kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for getting new kind of video. Allah Hafiz.